Hey fellow Kamadians, this is Red. Many years ago, I spent a good amount of time in Asia and Southeast Asia. The food there is magnificent both in quantity and quality. The flavors of one particular country left such a positive impression that even after 2 decades, I continue to crave the food I had there. That country is Singapore. The small country of Singapore presents a fascinating intersection of 3 different cultures: Chinese, Malay, and Indians. With that, developed many complex fusion dishes well before the term fusion came into vogue. The Chinese Malay steak I'm going to cook today is a recipe from Steve Raiklen that I've modified to further bring out the flavors when Chinese and Malaysian ingredients are paired. This is a must-try recipe, even if you've never ventured to this part of the world before. For the meat, I'll be using 4 pounds of skirt steak. For the marinade, we need 5 garlic, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 to 4 stalks of lemongrass, depending on your preference. I really enjoy lemongrass, so I'll be adding 4. I'll put it in a food processor and pulse it until it's finely shredded. Even though lemongrass comes in a big stalk, only the inside softer parts towards the lower section can be used. To prepare lemongrass, first cut off the top and bottom and discard. With the remaining section, peel away the outer tough layers until you've reached the softer inner layers. This is the part of the lemongrass that you'll cook with. Mix all the seasoning ingredients together and then coat the skirt steak well. Let the steak marinate for 2 to 4 hours. I've got my Kamado heated to 350 degrees and I've set it up for direct grilling. Traditionally, the locals prefer their steak well done. I'll place the steak on a well-oiled grate and I'll let it grill for 5 to 6 minutes each side, depending on the thickness of the meat. The steak is now ready to be taken off the Kamado and served. The mixing of the Chinese oyster sauce and 5 spice powder, together with the Malaysian use of turmeric and lemongrass, produces a flavor combination that's out of this world. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more food from all around the world cooked on the Kamado.